Hi everybody, this is Tina from Tina's Mystic Crafty Life. How are you? Hope you're good. I'm here with a Hobby Lobby haul and a Desash that I bought from socrafty100, and I will have her channel linked in the description box below. But let's start with Hobby Lobby. First thing off is my father-in-law asked me to pick him up some candle wicks. So I got him 2 packs of those, so I'll have to walk them down to him in a few. And then I thought this was cute for $1.24, the little mask. I can need another sticker, but I thought it was too cute to pass up. Oh, and I bought myself another one of these. The little spats. Love the one I got, so I wanted another one. And then I found the brads, or eyelets, in storage case for $2.49, so I got the colored, this one. Looks like that, with the stars, the flower shape kind of thing. So I got that one, and I had it in gold and silver. And I got another one in colored. And I got, I'm hoping to do something with this, that's why I grabbed it. The vellum. Got a couple packs of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 packs with 20 in it. So I have an idea I want to try. So for $1.49, what the hell? So that is my Hobby Lobby. Alright. Now I bought Shabby socrafty100 have blind bags for $10 each. Basically, you never paid for the shipping, so I bought 2 from her. So I just open them like this. I haven't gone through, so let's see what's in it. And the packs were pretty good. So I love blind bags, so this was like asking for me. Ooh, let's see. We got a little plastic bag with, ooh, look at the little Christmas booty. Little, I don't know what that is. So let's check it out. Where is that? Okay, here we go. Where's opening? Like a glass window. That's kind of cute. Okay. With praying hands. And then a little, this is a pen. Oh no, I closed the bag. Let's see. I have no plans. Be here a while with my little boot. And then applique, there we go, of roses. That's really pretty. That was in there. I love grab bags. I liked them as a kid too. And then let's see. Ooh, we got some little sequins, pretty flowers. Oh, we got a little necklace kit, activity kit. Mix that. Raleigh will do that. Look at some more sequins. Ooh, look at this. Oh, look at this, look at this. I don't know if she has any more of these, but you never know. Oh, look at little doilies or appliques, you want to call them. Cute. Nice. Wow. That's cool. I gotta get back in and making some shabby chic and vintage stuff. That's for sure. Alright. Oh, look at. Oh, my mom would have liked these. At one time, the kitchen was like this. Oh, are these handles? Because even if it's a duck, I'm going to use it. Yes, I think it is. Oh, that's kind of cool. I could use them. I don't care if it's a duck or not. It's glass. If that's what I think it is, I need one. So that'll look cool. Oh, look at little buttons shaped like sun hats. Oh, we got some apples. Maybe a bag of buttons and other little goodies in there. that's cool. Oh, little patches that are cars. And looks like an airplane. Ooh, bag full of flowers and bows in there. Footballs. Yep, patches. And the anchor. Baby, it's cold outside. That's my mom's favorite Christmas song. I'll hang that on my tree. Memory my mom. And then a thank you. Yep, Scrappy3 on Instagram. There's her information. Some more trim. Oh, this is a pretty green. I don't know where the end of it is. Look at that. That's pretty. It's a pretty green. That's a good combo together, actually. Looks good together. I'll put that in a bag after we're done. Oh, we have some stamps. So let's see. We got a little llama or goat or sheep. We got a little cloud. Whoop. Some sort of like little corner design. Very cool. And look at it. I like this one. I like them all, but sunflower. And this is candy. The old-fashioned candy. That's cool. Okay, not done yet, guys. Oh, look at it. Yellow. Man, did you know I live in Green Bay? She sent me Packer colors. Let's get it. We get some washi tape. Cut that. Oh, that's, ooh, look at red. Ooh, right up my alley, red. Oh, that's a nice tassel. Look at that. Nice. I gotta get back into this. Okay. Some more buttons. Oh, foam stickers are candy from Christmas. Probably I like them. We got some Christmas stickers. Mini dots. Stamp art mini pop dots. Ooh, 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 ooh. Ooh, what is this chunk? Wow. That's cool. And little footprints. Ooh. I may have this, so if I have this one, I think I do, I will pass it down to somebody that does not. Oh, gorgeous girl stamp. That's cool though. That was bag one, and I bought two bags, so that was bag one. Alright, bag two. Right on top we have sticker auto collect. Oh, dinosaurs. See, put it like them. And then we have a pretty pen. I believe it's a pen. Yep. Okay, just gonna grab. Whoop. We have a little kit from Christmas. Looks like, oh, I love that. Paper clips, little gingerbread, snowflake, candy. Some more buttons. Some little snowflakes. Ooh, look at those buttons. Oh, okay. Pull this out. Sticker adhesive diamond wrap. These buttons with the wood, and they have owls. Some are cool. And we had some more footballs. And another anchor. And some more airplanes and the cars. So that's cool. Oh, we together. Some lace. This is pretty. Look at that lace. That's pretty. We got ribbon. Pretty. Whole thing of little flowers and bows. And look at this. That's pretty. Look at that. Okay. Ooh, we got some stamps. Let's check out this stamp. Oh, you really got this in here. Good. Good. There we go. We have happy birthday. Glory to God is the highest, and on earth peace, goodwill, and toward men. Here's a little present. We got another present. We got hand stamp just for you. That's cute. And a little something just for you. Oh, that's cool. We have... Ooh, look at this Christmas bundle. Oh, look at the little elf button. You can see how that's cute. Oh, there are a couple of little elves in there. That's really cute. Little Christmas goodie pack. I got a whole bag of goodness here. Oh, look at this. They're roses. Oh, that's pretty. It's on elastic, so that's kind of cool. And if you wanted to, I betcha you could cut them individually too. Now that's neat. And we got a whole thick bag of ribbon here. Let's see. We got some pink, really pretty pink. Got some blue, it looks like that. Ooh, red. I love red. I never get rid of anything red because red's my favorite. Red like that. And we got some pink. See, I like that look too. And then we got this pink with flowers going through it. And then we have this little bag. Ooh, that's a nice chunk. It's real pretty. And see, I call these appliques. I may be wrong, but that's what I use for them. So maybe they look like an applique. They're snowman. I love snowman. They're cool. Look at them. Sequin beads. Maybe they're an applique. And Christmas in July is coming up, and I'm going to be in a collab, so that looks so cool. And then we got these little beads. Red, orange, clear. And we got some of this. Probably like the last one, which is fine. I'm okay with that. I don't have a lot of these in my collection, so we got 4 little flowers. Yeah, like the last one I showed. So I'll put that over here. That, because I'll pack them together. And let's see. Ooh, look at this one. Look at this one. Look at that. Love this color. That combo color. A whole bag of confetti with balloons or circles. Oh, this is funny. It says 50. Funny. Does it? 50? Happy 50th birthday. I needed this in March, guys. And we have one of her cards again. And then we have the bias tape. And another thing of red. one looks different. Or maybe it's not. Oh, it is. They are different. Well, that's cool. This is a good buy for $10. So, like I said, I will have Scrappy, socrafty100 channel link in the description. So watch for, she has another Desash. These are good Desashes. Thank you so much for such a good goodie grab bags. I love them. So as always, guys, be happy, be kind, be safe, be funny, be crafty, and bye for now, everybody, and have a good day.